We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Canon ImageClass D1350. The problem we've been having is we've been getting lines and blemishes on our copies and scans, which is going to indicate that there's something dirty on the scanner glass. So the first thing we want to do is open up the top of the scanner. And when you look at the scanner itself, you'll notice there's actually two different pieces of glass. There's the large flatbed scanner for doing your face-down copying, and there's a small strip of glass on the left side of the printer. That small strip of glass is on the left side of the printer is for when you're using the top document feeder. So if you notice that whenever you're using the top document feeder, that's when you're getting most of your blemishes, then this small strip of glass on the left is going to be where you want to focus. And alternately, if you're noticing most of your blemishes when you're doing face-down copying, then you're going to want to focus most of your cleaning on the flatbed copier. So that's just a good troubleshooting tip to help figure out where you need to focus your cleaning on. In order to clean it, you're going to want a lint-free cloth, your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have something like glass cleaner, you can use something like rubbing alcohol instead. And you're just going to put a little bit on your cloth. That's probably the biggest tip I can give you, is to please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth, not to the glass on the printer. If you apply the cleaner directly to the glass on the printer, you run a high risk of it seeping underneath the glass, and you can cause a lot more problems than you started with. So please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth. Now that we have that, we're just going to go ahead and start wiping down the glass, making sure that all your fingerprints, dust, any kind of ink that's built up on top of the machine, or whiteout, tape, anything like that, make sure you get it all off. Some of those spots can be a little bit more stubborn than others and might require you to go over them multiple times in order to finally get it all off. So let's just give it a good wipe down. After you wipe it down, give it a good visual inspection. Make sure you don't see anything still on the glass. Once you're happy with the way everything looks, I would close the top of the scanner. And I actually recommend doing a couple test copies or test scans from both methods, both using the top document feeder as well as the face-down scans, just to make sure that you're not getting any blemishes or any defects still. If you're getting little light defects, that'll probably show there's just something that's really hard to see on that glass. Just go back and repeat that cleaning process one more time. That should take care of it. Other than that, you should be good to go and back up printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.